To fix this problem, first of all, go to your phone menu, then scroll and try to search for your Snapchat account or your Snapchat app. Now use your fingers to tap on it for some while, then tap over here to tap on it. After that, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on notifications, and make sure your show notifications are turned on. So go back, tap on permissions, and make sure every permission is allowed over here. As you can see, mine is allowed. So go back, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Then after that, you go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is toggled on. Now go back and tap on advanced, then you scroll down, tap on app details. So when you tap on app details, you're going to be in the Google Play Store. So now tap on update over here on your phone. You're going to see update over here, so tap on it. But when you don't see update but you see open, just leave it like that and tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. So when it pops like this, tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.